1.5 million pesos. First day gross ng pelikulang Bakit Hindi Ka Crush ng Crush Mo. Patunay sa tindi ng kapit ng bayan sa tambalang Kim Chiu at Zian Lim. Pero kung di man makukwestiyon ang hatak ng kanilang love team sa tao, ang kanilang relasyon sa tunay na buhay, malaki pa rin palaisipan sa lahat. Ngayon, ang katotohanan. The Buzz Exclusives!
More of, nandito kami para sa isa't isa. At kung...
And obviously exclusive.
No, kasi wala...
Ang mga pahayag nilang ito sa Chris Reality TV noong Martes, nagbigay linaw sa malaking tanong ng bayan tungkol sa real score sa pagitan nila. Dagdag pa rito, binigyan din daw ni Zian si Kim ng isang promise ring noong birthday ng aktres. Lahat ng ito, pahiwatig nga bang hindi mapipigilan ang tuluyang paglalim ng kanilang relasyon. Ang kasagutan ni Zian Lim. Live! Agad-agad! Dito sa Buzz ng Bayan!
Zian Lim, welcome to the Buzz.
Thank you, The Buzz, Tito Boy.
Off camera, we were talking about ASAP. I caught it, yes. What a wonderful production number.
Maraming salamat. Thank you.
Ganda.
Thank you.
Oh, bongga mo talaga.
Yes.
Kasama mo pa si Gerald Salonga sa Philippine Philharmonic.
I know, and he was playing the piano and he sang and it was a beautiful number.
Thank you. I was so nervous nung sisimulan ko pa lang, but it turned out well, so I was really thankful sa kanilang lahat.
And you're so blessed.
He's really a good singer kasi talaga.
Wow. And he plays so many instruments, like,
The piano, my
Ang
favorite,
dami.
the trombone, and all, yeah.
And you compose songs too, di ba?
Yes, I do. It's my,
Sino gustugan mo si Kim?
Talagang nandun kagad. Oo naman, yeah.
anong ginagawa? Gitara?
Kasi naman nagka-trombone ka,
Right.
Sa
Ukulele.
set before nung Beyond the Girl, we had a piano on the set.
So you would play piano for her?
I would play the piano. Siyempre nung time na hindi pa kami masyadong magkakilala. So medyo
Naharana.
konting sundot ng yabang. Parang,
Pero teka muna, nag-compose ka ng song para kay Kim?
Yes, also nung My Beyond the Girl po ito, yung song na Ako'y Sa'yo Lamang. It was they got it for the theme song namin sa teleserye. So Sir Dale Dreamscape, maraming salamat.
Ako'y sa'yo lamang. Hanggang ngayon ba, ikaw ay kanya lamang?
That song talaga, Tito Boy. Alam mo, that song really means a lot for plenty of people talaga. And it's...
I realize that, Zian, but what does it mean to you and to Kim?
For me and Kim, it's always yung parang respeto ko sa kanya, yung trust namin sa isa't isa. Ako'y sa'yo lamang being na you can always trust me, I will always be your open ear.
But of course, it's a different trust because you can also trust me and I can trust you.
Yes,
diba?
of course, it's
but the trust that we're talking about here, the respect that we're talking about here is a different level.
Of course.
Diba?
Siyempre,
Very special.
May love.
Siyempre bilang magka-love team kami, bilang palagi kami nakikita, we have to work together. We have to have that comfortability, siyempre. Kasi pag if you're with someone, if you're doing scenes with someone, you cannot parang have that in the back of your head na parang, ay, is he taking advantage of me? Is he...
That's true. Lalo na pagbago pa lamang. Last night of the world, halimbawa, huling gabi na ng mundo, and you have to marry someone. Would you marry Kim?
Apocalypse agad.
Ang hirap naman ng Tito Boy.
I mean, hypothetical lang. Kasi mapupunta tayo sa bakit ka crush ng, ba't hindi ka crush ng crush mo, di ba? Last night of the world, apocalypse, sabi mo nga.
Paano yun, Tito Boy? Sino magkakasal? Wala na.
I will be there.
Tayong tatlo, Tito Boy.
I will be there. Halimbawa lamang, last night of the world, and you're supposed to marry someone. Would you marry Kim? Ito na may tanong lamang, di ba?
Diba?
Let's do it, Tito. Basta ikaw yung pare doon, Tito Boy, ha?
I will.
Sasamahan mo kami sa party.
Siyempre.
Tayong tatlo mag-party. Let's go, let's do it.
Okay.
I was talking to him kanina.
Pero huwag muna apocalypse, ha? Huwag muna apocalypse. Matagal pa yung apocalypse na yun.
Armageddon muna. Then we were talking about kanina, sabi ko, do you ever get tired of people asking you what's the real score, what's the status, ano ba talaga ang totoong relasyon niyo ni Kim? Kasi how do you handle all this? Because that's the same question people ask you every time.
Every time, yeah. Well, para sa akin kasi, it's very, how should I say this? It's
hard, no?
Yeah, it's very hard na people are always asking you these questions. And
but also you can't avoid that.
Hard because?
Yes. And especially, I would consider myself bago pa lang sa industry, and it's my first movie. Movie pa lang. And syempre, our relationship, our status would be known at a certain time. It wouldn't, hindi pa ngayon. Kasi it would be unfair kung sasabihin namin na kami ngayon, we're promoting a movie, di ba? We're promoting a movie, and pag sinabi namin na kami, wala, showbiz tayo yan. Pag sinabi namin, hindi kami, showbiz pa rin, di ba? Parang it would be really unfair for the both of us. So yung status would be known at the proper time.
At saka hindi ka na naniniwala sa labels, di ba? Sinabi mo.
Yes, and I don't want to have that. With all due respect to everyone who's asking me, syempre, I don't want to have that obligation na kailangan yung sabihin sa publiko, kailangan yung umamin, kailangan yung ganito, kailangan, because we don't need to.
We respect that.
Yeah.
We respect
Pero
that.
alam mo, you
But
can't
at the same
blame
no,
us also.
we respect that. But at the same time, you will have to recognize also our right to ask.
Because
Yes, oo naman.
we are interested. Because you guys are very interested.
At saka bagay na
we are
bagay kayong
interested because we are
dalawa.
interesting because we care.
Diba?
Ako talaga because we care.
Kung hindi naman talaga tayo interesado, pakilatin kung di ba kung mag-on sila.
Yeah.
Kaya
We're talking
we
about
are very
Kim. We're talking
interested.
about Sian. And magpasalamat ka na because people watch the movie. And
Yes.
people
Sa lahat ng
people
ano,
still are watching the movie.
sabi nga ni Miss Tony, sa lahat ng may care pa, di ba? Maraming salamat talaga sa lahat ng nanood dahil kung hindi dahil sa inyong lahat, hindi namin marireach ang 10.5 sa unang araw at
Wow!
pinipilahan siya dahil po yan sa inyo at we will be here to give it back to you guys. Lagi po namin i-acknowledge yung support ninyo para sa akin. At syempre, Tita Malu, maraming salamat po. Direk Olive Namasan, maraming salamat po. Carmi, Raimundo, Direk Joyce, you really,
Binibigyan ng joy.
Tinutukan talaga ako dito ni Direk Joyce to the point na hindi talaga siya sumuko sa akin. Kung susuntukin niya talaga ako. It's
All for the
serious.
movie.
Yes, all for the movie na talagang pipigayin niya ako just to get it
best.
all out from me.
That's right.
Siyempre, my Dreamscape family, yon, Sir Deo, and the whole team, Kuya Arnelli. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat dahil I wouldn't be here where I am today kung hindi dahil sa inyong lahat.
That's
yes.
right.
And
Kahapon sa Alabang Town Center, sold out kayo.
Wow.
grabe. Thank you.
Did you think that your first team up yung movie together would be this successful?
We were very nervous nung premiere night. Hindi kami makafocus sa movie kasi magkatabi kami ni Kim. Nakaganon lang kami, honest. Totoo, nakaganito lang kami. Kim, are you okay? Ba't hindi ka natatawa? Hindi ko alam. Namamanhid ako eh. Ano ba
Were
siya?
you holding hands?
Hindi. Kasi
I just wanted to know.
We
Ayan
were
na naman,
very-
interested na naman tayo.
Sa mga taong interesado pa, thank you sa inyo.
Hindi mo malamig sa sinihan, so kailangan mag-holding hands kayo.
At first, medyo gumaganon si Kim, pero tinanggal niya, sabi ko, sayang naman. Hinahawakan yung kamay ko, sabi ko, wait.
Alam mo kanina, at the beginning of the show, Sian, we had an interview with Jeric Rosales who proposed to Kim. Kim din, di ba? Si Kim.
din,
Now they're engaged. Halimbawa lamang, alam mo naman ako, babalikan ko yan.
Yes.
Halimbawa, one day, if you were to propose to Kim, how would you do it?
How would you
Ito
do?
boy, huwag naman, apocalypse po ba
Scenario
ulit?
lang.
No, hindi.
Huwag naman apocalypse, saka lang.
Hypothetically, what's your dream? Ano
Oh,
sa
propose
dream
na.
natin
Oh,
sa'yo?
God.
Siyempre.
Sige.
Ano ba ito?
Shing.
Plain ba ito?
Kunwari lang.
I want it to be the traditional with
Pamamanikan.
yes, yun muna syempre sa parents sa parents muna the permission, then syempre comes yung luluhod sa harapan.
At saka, a lot of music will come into play because you're a musician, di ba? I wouldn't be surprised if you would bring the whole Philharmonic Orchestra, di ba?
Pero wag muna yung kasal dito, boy.
Oh, hindi naman.
Parang tumanda na, may bigote pa ako dito, boy. May tumanda ako na sobra.
Isipin na lang natin yung pinag-usapan natin ay isang dream sequence.
Sequence siya.
Sa
Ngayon
isang
cut na siya.
Oo, medyo sequence 5 pa lamang. Sian, congratulations.
Congratulations.
Maraming salamat po. Thank you po.
Congratulations.
We're looking forward sa next movie nyo.
Ay, by the way, magpapasalamat din ako sa The Buzz dahil kung hindi dahil sa inyo, kayo po yung unang pinag-promota namin. So, thank you so much, The Buzz, for letting us do this.
Alam mo, your next movie, you have to come back because swerte na pag dito sa Buzz, unang nagpro-promote.
Yes.
O di kaya, dito sa Buzz, dali lamang, ang aming executive producer si Nancy Yabut. Pag dito sa The Buzz, dito sa The Buzz, unang nagsabi po na halimbawa yung engagement, o di kaya
Thank you, Pepsi Herrera. Thank you. And Pep Silvestre for my makeup.
Asan si Kim?
Kasi hindi napanood yung front ko.
bumalik ang gym sequence.
Oo, may miss factor.
May miss factor talaga.
Stay the beautiful person that you are.